today's video, we are going to
decorate our room.
nursery room. Joke lang, hindi nursery room. This is our bedroom, which will turn out to be a room for 4. So, Papa Hermie is gonna decorate it. Hindi renovate, no? Decorate only. Yeah, the walls and all the stuff. So, see you later!
We have been here for the past 5 years. This has been our family's comfort area after a long day, our love nest, play gym, confession room, and even prayer room. This room has seen many milestones in our family. It has seen us grow and multiply. Why are we still here? Because we are still believing and waiting for God's best home for us. We have tried searching for our own home, yet I think God has greater plan for it not to push through. We will always hold on to His promises and faithfulness. For now, we would want to be a good steward of what we have and where we are. And please, no judgment. Having a kid plus another one is coming, most of the time, magulo than maayos. But those mess tells us that our family is healthy. And we thank God for that. Almost done!
Wow!
Hi everyone! Welcome to So we're done decorating our room. What did we do? What did we put on the wall? Sticky stickers. And this is how we prepare for baby number 2. This is Milea's bedside and all. So we have shown you the before and after. So we're just gonna share later yung things ni baby kung paano namin siya in-organize also. So, thank you for watching.
Bye!
Bye! Say God bless you all. Peace out. Granny Tales. So, this is how we organize baby stuff. So, dito yung mga cap, mittens, socks, yung mga pairs of clothes, and yung costumes niya. Dito yung mga newborn clothes to 3 months. There you are. Dito yung mga 3 to 6 months. Pero hindi pa namin nilabas yung mga 6 months onwards. Bimpo, we have here Bimpo. And some are from infant. Ito ang ginulo ni Papa Hermie. Swaddles. Ito yung mga the carrier at saka yung pang photoshoot. Carrier ito, carrier, swaddles. These are swaddles. Yun lang. Sa ilalim are just random stuffs. Dito, yung mga essentials like yung mga abubots. Oil, first aid kit ni Malaya, and mga plancha sa hair. On this side naman is babies on the go. Immediate stuff. Wipes. We have Bimpo also, and yung mga washcloth niya. Dito mga pampaligo, hygiene kit, temperature thermometer, bulak tissue, mga cream, alcohol, powder, manzanilla, cologne, cotton buds, and all other stuff, cotton balls, diapers, and a lot more diapers.